Hi, I'm Pop Seagong, and welcome to my channel. Before you forget, please like and subscribe so I can continue to produce these videos and you can continue to learn my personal art of Bagua Kuntao Silat. Today, I'm going to show you Bagua Kuntao Silat's defense, one of many, against the hip throw or hip toss. I'm going to show you two today, and I have my trusted student and son here who's going to help out, who's done many of these himself. He wrestled for a period of years in high school, was city second place, and was disqualified against the state champ because you did something they didn't like. Because he used Kuntao Silat instead of wrestling. But it didn't hurt the guy, but they didn't know what it was, so disqualified. Anyway, just say he knows how to throw a hip toss, and I'm going to show you how to counter or defend against it. And I say hip toss or a hip throw to counter or defend against it using Bagua Kuntao Silat. Again, there are many of them, but I'm going to show you two. These are basic defenses or counters that you should be able to use, and this is based, both of them are from section 1 in the 64 poems of Bagua Kuntao Silat, the basic application. So, first, one. I'll break it down for you real quick. What happened was, I go to throw punch, he comes in and I bring pressing palm against the top of his pelvis into his kidneys. That can be a strike, but because I love him and I don't want to hurt him, that ends up being a press. And what you saw was him stop his movement. That keeps him from moving in and be able to bend over and leverage me and throw me on the ground. But from here, we're stuck for a moment, but I slowed down so you could see. So from there, we go to what you see is the fourth palm, or outward palm, elbow down, and throwing him into the ground. So after that, there's all kind of follow-ups we do to make sure he doesn't get up and hurt us. But I just wanted to show you the counter to the hip throw, not the follow-ups. And the second one, the second defense, even easier. What if you're not aware enough to do the pressing palm, or you don't understand the mechanics of the pressing palm like I showed you in the form, and your entire body is pressed down, relaxed, weight relaxed, keeping his from bending over and keeping him from bringing his hip into me to throw me off balance and steal my balance. That's what the pressing palm is all about. But sometimes you're caught completely unaware and he moves in and you're not able to do the pressing palm. He's already there. What do? You drop your weight below his weight and you move into torquing palm. Step forward, throw him to the ground. From there, of course, you can follow up any way you need to, just like in any other palm, to do it. But that's it. There are more. I could have picked him up, dumped him on his head, like a monkey roll, Kuntao Silat, and a host of other variations. Use pushing palm, strikes, elbows, other throws, sweeps. But right now, I'm just showing you two of the basic counters or defenses against the hip throw. And I'll show you again from another angle, this side. And from here, you can see here, pressing palm. And from here, I'll stop him, bring in, and throw. And from there, follow up any way we need to. And also, yeah, it is a throw, just like when you're moving in from torquing palm, you step out. That's the movement. You practice that, as I showed you in my other videos, with the outward palm, where you've already done this, and then, well, that's a throw from that move and a counter to the hip toss. But the other one, he comes in, and I'm not aware enough, he's already leveraging me, I'm going, so what do is relax, drop my weight below his, and then torquing palm, and just simply throw him on the ground. That's it. It looks like it wouldn't work. It does, because your skeletal position is in a superior position to his. You've stolen his balance, but he thinks he's stolen yours. Because while he's lifting up and throwing it, you've slipped your center of gravity below his. And now from there, I can, if I want to, pick him up, drop his head on the ground, do all sorts. I could do a leg sweep if I wanted, but that's a more advanced counter. What I want to show you can simply just use your body weight since you're below him to pick him up slightly using torquing palm, get complete control of him, and just dump him on the ground, and then follow up with any strikes or throws or blocks or anything you need to. It's very, very simple. 2 basic counters and defenses to the hip throw. Please like and subscribe, popseagong.com, and I'll see you again.